This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Now it's time for a new mini mission where you're going to create a one-sentence copywriting cheat code that's going to put together everything you learned inside of this module. Now, I love cheat codes because it reminds me of video games. And one example that comes to mind is The Sims, which I don't know if you've played or not, but the idea was you would play this game and you enter in a simple code, and once you type that code in, you get a ton of money in the game, and it gives you an unfair advantage. So I like to think that this one sentence that you're writing is your cheat code to writing amazing copy. It's going to give you an unfair advantage where you're able to write a copy that is so much more effective than anyone else out there. It's amazing what you're able to write with this stuff. So think back to the first mini mission you completed in the beginning of this course. You're writing an email to a list of 1,000 people interested in becoming a freelance copywriter. With that same group in mind, ask yourself, what is the big idea? Now, one side note is in that first exercise, if you had a business already top of mind that you wrote to instead, then stick with that same example that you worked with. But assuming that you didn't use your own business, we're going to be going back to that example of communicating and writing copy for people that want to become freelance copywriters. And what is the feeling that that group of people most desires? What is the one action that you want that group of people to take? Then, once you've decided on all that and figured it out, you're going to put it all together into a one-sentence cheat code. So the sheet that we're going to be using for this is this PDF that I've created that's attached to this video, which you can download. And it's just a simple place to collect all of this information that you've come across. Very easily it says, I help people understand that, boom, big idea. So they feel, boom, what's the emotion you want them to feel? Which motivates them to, boom, what's that one clear action you want them to take? Pause this video now and complete that cheat code for the target audience that you're working with. Congratulations. You just finished writing that cheat code, which is going to give you an unfair advantage when you go to write your copy. That's awesome. And this is a tool that's now in your toolkit that you can use for any piece of copy you write for the rest of your life. And now that you've actually done it yourself, you have that newfound confidence in your copywriting abilities. All of that is incredible. In this video, you completed a mini mission where you created a one-sentence cheat code.